Good morning, all of you. Now, today, in continuation with the same language topic, synthesis of sentences, uh, we'll have a look at exercise G. But before that, some rules. Come to page 150. Open your books to page 150. Alright, so here we have to combine simple sentences into a complex sentences with the help of an adverb clause. Okay, so who will tell me what is an adverb? You have been doing adverb since I don't know which class, fourth, fifth. Okay, what is an adverb?
A word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb.
Okay, all right. So a verb which uh, adds something more to the meaning, or it defines, adds something more to the meaning. So that is what an adverb is. But it adds something more to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Okay, and we have so many types of adverbs. So here also they have explained. Okay, so right, a word that adds more information, adds something more. That is what I said. Uh, to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Now, let's have a look at how subordinate adverb clause is used to form complex sentences. Okay, now have a look at the first example here. The crow took the worm in its beak, it flew away immediately. Okay, so here they have used the adverb clause of time. As soon as the crow took the worm in its beak, it flew away. Here the main clause is it flew away, and the adverb clause of time is as soon as means when it flew away. So as soon as the crow took the worm in its beak. So it's specifying the time. Next we have he was born somewhere. He reached that place. Alright, so main clause here is he reached, and the adverb clause of place where he was born. So he reached where he was born. Which place? Where did he reach? He reached where he was born. So it shows the adverb clause of place. Next example, he works hard. That's why he'll get through the exam. Alright, so why he'll get through the exam? What is the reason? So here we have the adverb clause of reason. He'll get through the exam because he works hard. So here we have used the adverb clause of reason. Okay, next, you'll have to get up early. I'll take you to the zoo. So here we have a condition that if you get up early, then I'll take you to the zoo. So if you get up early, I'll take you to the zoo. I'll take you to the zoo is the main clause here, and adverb clause of condition is, what is the condition that you can go to the zoo? The condition is that if you get up early. Okay. It became very hot. I switched on the fan and slept. Okay, so when did I switched on the fan and slept? That I switched on the fan and slept, that is the main clause. And when I did that, when it became very hot, so it specifies the adverb clause of time. Okay, we eat, we wish to live. So why we eat? We have a purpose to eat. What is the purpose? That we may live. So here we have used the adverb clause of purpose to form a complex sentence. Okay, he is very weak. He cannot walk. All right. So, because he is weak, so he is not able to walk. So, what here we have used the adverb clause of result. That because he is weak, so that results in he not being able to walk. So, he is so weak that he cannot walk. Okay. Uh, she managed everything. She did it to the best of her competence. So she managed everything. How she managed? In which manner she managed everything? As competently as she could. So here we have used the adverb clause of manner. Okay, I write neatly. She writes more neatly. So here we have some comparison. So here we will use the adverb clause of comparison, that she writes more neatly than I do. Okay. He is honest. He is poor. He is honest. Alright. So here we have a contrast, that though he is poor, he is honest. So here we have used the adverb clause of contrast. The main clause is he is honest, and the adverb clause of contrast is though he is poor. So in this way also we can join two sentences to form a complex sentence. Okay, let's try doing it. Let's get to exercise G. Okay, join the sentences of each set to make a complex sentence containing an adverb clause. Okay, first one, he got the pass, then he entered the hall.
As soon as he got the pass, he entered the hall.
Start with he entered. He entered.
He entered when he got the pass.
He entered the hall. When did he enter the hall? When he got the pass. So he entered the hall when he got the pass. Write down. He entered the hall when he got the pass. Second, the child is sleeping. Don't talk loudly.
Don't talk loudly as the child is sleeping.
Okay, don't talk loudly as the child is sleeping or because the child is sleeping. You can use both. So don't talk loudly because the child is sleeping, or don't talk loudly as the child is sleeping. Written. Yes, class, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next.
Yes, ma'am.
The patient had died. The doctor came then. Start with the doctor.
The doctor came when the patient had died.
Okay, just replace when with after. So the doctor came after the patient had died. The doctor came after the patient had died. Next, lock your room first, then go for a walk. Start with go for a walk.
Go for a walk after locking your room.
Go for a walk after you have locked your room. Go for a walk after you have locked your room. Next one. She heard the news. She fainted. Start with when.
She fainted.
All
When
right.
When
she
she
faint-
heard the news, she fainted.
Okay. When she heard the news, she fainted. Or you could also write the other way. Who was saying that? She fainted when she heard the news. Who was saying that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So, all right, Srishti. So, both ways you can write it. When she heard the news, she fainted, or she fainted when she heard the news. They are staying somewhere. I will meet them there only. Start with I will meet.
I will meet them there only where they are staying.
I will meet them where they are staying. I will meet them where they are staying. I will meet them where they are staying. Okay, next one. I'll give you the money. I want you to pay the fee on time. Start with since.
Since I want you to pay the fee on time, I'll give you the money.
Correct. Since I want you to pay the fee on time, I'll give you the money. And after time, put a comma also. So since I want you to pay the fee on time, since I want you to pay the fee on time, comma, I'll give you the money. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one. I can open all the mails, but the condition is that it should not have been marked confidential. Start with I can. Because there's a condition, so start with I can open.
I can open all the mails if they have not been marked confidential.
Right. I can open all the mails. I can open all the mails if they have not been marked, if they have not been marked confidential. I can open all the mails if they have not been marked confidential. I can open all the mails if they have not been marked confidential. Next one. He is very hardworking. As a result, everyone loves him.
He is so hardworking that everyone loves him.
Another version would be start with everyone. Suti?
Everyone loves him because he is
Everyone-
very hardworking.
Okay.
He is very hardworking.
Very. Okay. Right. Everyone loves him because he is very hard working. Everyone loves him because he is very hard working. Okay, next. Ram runs fast. Mohan runs faster. Comparison.
Mohan runs faster than Ram.
Correct. Mohan runs faster than Ram. Mohan runs faster than Ram. Okay. Number 11. Malia is rich. Mohit is equally rich.
Malia is rich as Mohit is also.
Change it. Change a little bit here and there.
Malia is
Mohit-
as
Hmm.
rich as Mohit is.
Okay, or Mohit is as rich as Malia is, or Malia is as rich as, because what they are saying is that Malia is rich, Mohit is equally rich. So you could start with Mohit. Mohit is as rich as Malia is. Mohit is as rich as Malia is. Okay, next one. He may disappoint me. I'll help him. Start with I'll help him.
I'll help him as he may disappoint me.
Not as. Use here I'll help him. Here it is contrast, that though we are helping, still the person will disappoint. So I'll help him although he may disappoint me. I'll help him although he may disappoint me. I'll help him although he may disappoint me. Next. Sleep at least 6 hours a day. You might fall ill otherwise.
Sleep at least 6 hours a day or you might fall ill.
Okay. Sleep at least 6 hours a day or you might fall ill. We can have another version also, that unless you sleep at least 6 hours a day, you may fall ill. So both are correct. That sleep at least 6 hours a day or you might fall ill. Sleep at least 6 hours a day or you might fall ill. Or you can also write, unless you sleep at least 6 hours a day, you might fall ill. So both would be correct. He has bought a bigger house. The purpose is to live comfortably.
He has bought a bigger house so as to live comfortably.
Okay, so that he may live. Only that is the change, otherwise it is correct. He has bought a bigger house so that he may live comfortably. He has bought a bigger house so that he may live comfortably. So that he may live comfortably. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the last one here. He had to break the lock. He had lost the key. Start with he had.
He had lost the key, so he has to break the lock.
Or start with he had to break. He had to break. Start with that.
He had to break the lock because he has
Lost.
the key.
Okay, right. He had to break the lock because he had lost the key. He had to break the lock because he had lost the key. Okay, so has anyone missed any sentence?
No, ma'am.
Yes, what about the rest? Have you missed anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The number 1 is, he entered the hall when he got the pass. He entered the hall when he got the pass. Okay, number 13. Unless you sleep at least 6 hours a day, you might fall ill. You can either write this, unless you sleep at least 6 hours a day, you might fall ill. Or you can also write, sleep at least 6 hours a day or you might fall ill. Sleep at least 6 hours a day or you might fall ill. Yes, any other sentence?
I'm 14.
4th. Okay, 14th also I'll tell. 4th. 4th is, go for a walk after you have locked your room. Go for a walk after you have locked your room. Number 8 is, I can open all the mails. I can open all the mails if they have not been marked confidential. I can open all the mails if they have not been marked confidential. Someone asked number 14th also. Okay, he has bought a bigger house so that he may live comfortably. He has bought a bigger house so that he may live comfortably. Yes, any other sentence? Yes, class?
No, ma'am.
Alright, all done now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.